Hey, I'd like to go over the distributive property with you. I picked 4 problems to do, so let's get started. See, you're going to get the distributive property like this, where it's 5 times the quantity n plus 3. Notice when I say 5 times the quantity n plus 3, quantity indicates to put the parentheses around it. You see those parentheses? Now, I want you to think like you have friends that go to your school and you have friends that go to different schools. So you're going to distribute yourself the 5 times the n and the 5 times the 3. So you have 5 times n plus the 5 distributes to the 3. 5 times 3. So it's 5n plus 15. You see that there? This is going to be a real quick video because I got to pick up my students here. But I wanted to go over this because distributive property is such a great big thing in 6th grade that I just want to make as many videos on it as possible because, I've seen students struggling with it a lot. So this should be 5n plus 15 here. So there's that. You're going to get lots of problems like this. And I picked 4 really good ones for us to try. So here you can see the 12c minus 3y. That means 3 times y, coefficient variable. So here, what they're doing is they're finding the greatest common factor of the coefficients, 12 and 3. That is 3 is the greatest common factor. Now, 3 times what is 12c? Well, 3 times 4. So 3 times 4c equals 12c. Now, 3 times how many y's equal 3y? Well, that's right, 1y. It'll just be assumed 1 there. And now, which ones show here? Well, 2 times d is 2d, and 2 times 3 is 6, so minus 6. So it's 2d minus 6 right here. And you can see this one is meant to trick you because they didn't distribute the 2 to the 3. All right, the other one, there is another one. 3, that would be 3d minus 6, so that's not that one. And it would be 2d minus 3. Nope, not that one. It would be this one because you can distribute 2 times the d and 2 times the 3. So these two here. So you sort of use process of elimination. Anytime they have those square boxes, that means there's could be multiple answers. So this one, 5d plus 20. The greatest common factor of 5 and 20 is 5. So 5 will be pulled out, factored out, as they say. Now 5 times d is 5d, so it works in that case. 5 times 20 is 100. No, it's there to trick you. 5 times 5d is 25d. 5 times 4 is 20. So nope. It would be 5 times d is 5d, and 5 times 4 is 20. So right here, guys. And then the reverse. Just using the commutative property here. All right, and that is the distributive property. Real quick video there. Just wanted to go over as much as possible. If you're learning the distributive property, I've got a lot more distributive property where I'm teaching it on the board, teaching it wherever. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Bye. And I got to stop it.